Hey guys, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time now. I think with all the travel plans last year, I've been a little burnt out, but I am back today with another packing video. This trip is quite short though. I'm only going away for the weekend, so I'm trying to fit everything in my Longchamp. The itinerary is pretty short. I'm leaving on Friday and I'm coming back Sunday afternoon. I'm bringing my trusty linen trousers. These ones are wide leg and they are quite long. It goes all the way down to my ankle. Also has an elastic waistband, so it's really comfortable to be sitting in. Another plus is that these have really deep pockets, so they're so functional. Pairing it with a really basic top, but this one is in one of my favorite colors. It's a deep green. It is slightly cropped. It stops a little bit below my belly button, so it's not super revealing. I have this top in a bunch of different colors. I just love the silhouette. It's super easy to throw on and it's such a staple. Now we will be participating in some water activities, so I did pack a couple of bikinis. The first one is this really fun colored one. It has a bunch of pastel colors on it, which I love. The silhouette is a little bit different though. It's not the traditional triangle top, so you put your head through this loop. I actually appreciate that there's no tie at the neck area because I always get my hair caught up in there and it's so painful. I love that the front here is adjustable, so you could really customize the amount of boobage you want to show. The matching bottoms are pretty basic. It has two ties at the side. Let me know if you feel the same, but as I get older, I'm a little bit more conservative with my coverage, so I really like how much this covers. The second bikini option is this plain pink one. This is your traditional triangle top, but I kind of flipped it over so that the top here is adjustable. So instead of wearing a triangle this way and having a cinch at the bottom of your bust, I flipped it over so the adjustment is at the top here. I find that when I wear it this way, I have a lot more security, especially since I don't have a lot of boobage. I feel like this way kind of ensures that nothing will slip out. Now the bottoms for this one is completely different. There are no ties at the side. Instead, you kind of wear this like you would any underwear. I do have to note that the coverage on these ones are not the best, so I will be wearing a cover up, which is just one of my favorite Nike running shorts. These also have a built-in underwear underneath it, so it's super secure. And because it's a dry fit material, it's gonna dry really quickly. For our last day, which is also partially a travel day, I want to wear an outfit that's both comfortable but cute at the same time. So I'm gonna go with the same green t-shirt, but I'm gonna pair it with this pair of light wash denim skirt. It is a skirt in the front but shorts underneath, making it super practical. I've had this in my closet for a couple years now and it has remained one of my staples. You just can't go wrong with light wash. Now, because we're only going away for the weekend, I tried my best to not overpack my skincare and makeup, but honestly, this is still filled to the brim. Starting off with makeup, I thought I'll bring whatever's left of this Power Grip setting spray. Ideally, I want to finish this on the trip and then get rid of the bottle. Next, I have my favorite drugstore mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High in Waterproof. I definitely need this for the trip. Then comes my favorite concealer. This is the Tower 28 Serum Concealer. I love this stuff so much. Obviously, I won't be wearing this in the water, but for any event, when I tell you I don't go anywhere without this, I really don't. For blush, I usually go in with powder and cream, so this Patrick Ta one is perfect because it has both a powder and a cream. I also have the shade She's Blushing. My current favorite lippy is this one from Roman. It's what I'm currently wearing. I just love how glossy and nourishing it feels. I have in the shade Nougat Sand. Now onto skincare. I have a bunch of little minis. For trips, I love bringing samples because it saves a lot more space. This here is the Innisfree eye cream sample, and I've been wanting to try this for such a long time now. This is the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Eye Cream with green tea seed. I've heard a lot of good things about this line, and so I'm really excited to try this. It also saves me space because my current eye cream jar is way too big for this pouch. I'm also bringing some pimple patches from e.l.f. These ones work so well. Next up is this little facial cleanser from Clinique. This came in a gift set when I last purchased my eye cream, so I have yet to try this. It says it's for dry combination skin, which is me, so I have high hopes for this one. For moisturizer, I have this one from e.l.f. I quite like this one. It has oat milk, ceramides, and niacinamide in it, so it feels really lightweight on. One thing though, it does smell a little bit like oats on your face. Most importantly, sunscreen. I have this one from Innisfree. It is their daily UV defense sunscreen with SPF 36. I've been loving this one for years because it doesn't leave a white cast. Then with the sunscreen, I usually go in with the e.l.f. bronzing drops for a little bit of glow. I have this in the shade Pure Gold and I love it so much. Ooh, last but not least is my favorite acne treatment. I love this little gel pen from e.l.f. It's salicylic acid in a little roller ball and it makes it super easy to apply onto any blemishes. Whenever I feel the slightest tingle, I would put this gel on. It does a really good job with keeping it from flaring. So that's it for today's video. I will be vlogging this trip, so keep a lookout and I'll catch you in the next one.